Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating easy causes. Make these checks now. First, confirm Wi-Fi is enabled and airplane mode is off on your device. Next, look at the router. Power, WAN, and Wi-Fi LEDs should be lit. If not, power cycle the unit by unplugging 10 seconds and replugging. Also note whether you use the 4 GHz or 5 GHz SSID and the exact password, because mismatched credentials often mimic a no internet error. Once done, move on to verify IP and connection status. Now you dive deeper into the network stack to find where traffic stops. On your device, confirm whether DHCP assigned an IP or a static address is misconfigured. Fix settings if needed. Then, ping the router IP. If that succeeds, ping 8 to test outside connectivity. If router pings fail, check the router's WAN/internet status page and your ISP modem link lights. Reboot the modem if needed. Make sure to save any config changes and wait a minute for routes to rebuild. Finish by clearing lingering software issues. Flush DNS cache and renew the DHCP lease on your device. These often restore name resolution and access. Then check for and apply router firmware updates. Outdated firmware can block internet access. If problems persist, back up your router configuration and perform a factory reset, but only as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: record exact LED patterns and error messages before calling your ISP. Those details speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.